Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're safe and healthy. With this video, I wanted to start a series of important questions and answers that can come directly in the Part 1 exam. I will add 25 important questions with their answers in every Q&A video. And in the end of the video, I will add the next 10 unsolved questions, but answer to those can only be found in my next Q&A video. So there will be 3 to 4 slides in every video, and I will show you all of them one by one, which you can pause and review as long as you want. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more of these information-packed videos and to support me. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the Q&A video series. So here I added the first 10 questions which you can review by pausing the video. So go ahead and pause the video. So these are the next 10 questions with answers. And I'm moving to the third slide. Alright. So this is very last slide where I have added 10 unanswered questions. I will request you to spend some time to find the answers to these, which you can then compare to the answers given in my next video. So with this slide, I'm ending this video. So again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all the important questions and answers. So see you soon. Bye.